Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Labubu Donut. So let's get started. To draw this cute donut, let's first start by drawing the Labubu eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. Nice and big since we're just drawing the head today. So start with that one curve and then I'm going to come down right here and just draw it really big, kind of like drawing a U right underneath. There. And now that I have that, I'm going to come inside and draw an oval closer to this edge. And put it in right here. And then I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. Draw so cute Labubu eyes. So I'm going to put in 2 circles for highlights and then a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. There, and then lines at the bottom. So then let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So just drag this point across, say about this wide, and we're just going to do the same thing. There. So now that I have these eyes in, I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw a cute little nose. So say about right here, just going to draw a soft curve right in between the eyes and then just connect it in the center and back up. And then we need to draw that really big smile. So come to about, say, the center of the eye, come out just a little bit, about right here. And then I'm going to drag that point across to the same thing on the other side, about right here. And we're just going to draw a big curve right underneath. Right there, and then we're going to go up. There. And so now that we have this big curve in, we need to put in the teeth. So find your center, about right here. And on this side, we're going to draw 4 teeth. 2, 3, and then 4. And then on this side, we need to draw 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 5. There. And now that we have that, we can go ahead and let's see here. Just maybe this point right here, just go out, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so that I just have a curve that goes right underneath the smile. And same thing on the other side, so about right here. Same thing on the other side. I have these 2 points. I'm going to go ahead and draw this face. So I'm just going to curve around, draw the Labubu face, and we're just going to go really close to the teeth. Go all the way around. There. So now that we have this face in, we're going to come on top right here and I'm just putting in some drizzle for our donut. So I'm going to use these 2 points. I'm going to go right across and I'm just going to start to drizzle right over it. Just have fun with this. Go up and down and then back. So however you want it. And then now that we have that, I'm going to extend this part out and drizzle a little bit and come out. Just a little bit more. Same thing on the other side. And about right there. So then in this space right here, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of the head. So same thing on the other side, but right here. I'm going to finish this curve. And it's going to be a little bit thinner towards the bottom right here. So say about right here. And I'm just going to bring a curve down. So there's a donut head, so I'm just going to make it a little bit rounder. And same thing on this side. So this donut doesn't have a hole in the center. It's one of those with the fillings. There. So now that I have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this up. So you just want this nice full donut. So just keep in mind as you draw this curve going up. And same thing here. So I'm just going to drag this across because it's just easier for my hand to draw downwards, but I just want to continue this nice round donut shape. There, and you just want to pop the drizzle out on both sides. So now that we have that, we have the same space on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and draw some ears. So I'm going to pop this up, and they're not going to be very big because they're donut ears. So I'm just going to make them shorter and rounder, and I'm going to aim towards the center. So I'm going to find my center, which is about right here. And I'm going to bring this down. And go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Round the tip off and then bring it down. There. So now that we have that, let's come back inside. So just imagine this curve is going over about right here in the center. Draw a curve and pop that in. Coming across about right here. And same thing. There. So that is basically the general shape of our donut. And then now we're just going to add a bunch of sprinkles to bring it to life. So however you like, but I'm just going to go ahead and quickly put in these sprinkles. But your goal is to just kind of draw them about the same size and going in different directions. So just fill it in wherever. Some here. And then I'll add some circle ones just to make it a little bit easier to fill in the space. And of course I have to add some heart ones too, right? So like I said, this is just meant to inspire you. You can draw as many as you want and however you want it. This is your Labubu Donut. And let's see, one more here. And another one. There, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this yummy Labubu donut. I really hope you love this and that it inspired you to draw fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.